help us learn. Let's start.
Carpenter.
Carpenter makes a furniture.
Teacher.
Teaches our tool.
Policeman.
Catch a thief.
Mason.
Build our house.
Fireman.
Fireman attacks our fire.
Farmer.
Grows crop for us.
Gardener.
Take care plant.
Postman.
Bring the letter to us.
Barber.
Touch our hair.
Cobbler.
Match our shoes.
Plumber.
Fish attack.
Painter.
Paint our house.
Doctor.
Doctor. They are the patient.
Milkman.
Deliver milk.
Driver.
Drives our wheel.
Baker.
Bakes cake.